Hello everyone, thank you all for joining me today. My name is Jermaine of webhostingthrone.com. Of course, you can check me out at webhostingthrone on Google. You can easily just Google webhostingthrone for more tutorials on like the ones we're about to show you. So today we're going to be learning how to edit the footer in WordPress. Again, how to edit the footer in WordPress. Now, normally you would edit the footer in WordPress because you would like to remove the powered by WordPress emblem. As you can see right here, let me show you. Let's scroll down. Let's see here. As you can see right here, where it says proudly powered by WordPress. Some people wouldn't want that. It's not professional. It's not giving the theme presence of what the website is really about. And this right here, you don't want this to become a distraction. You want to remove this. Most people who run their own business wouldn't have this on the bottom. Even people who have a personal blog wouldn't have this. Normally on the footer, you would have the copyright stamp on the bottom, copyright 2018. I'm sorry. You have copyright 2018. You have the contact page, or you have the about page. Those are important pages, but those aren't the real pages that you would want. Let's say for like on the top right here. And this is a brand new, absolutely freshly installed blog. So mind the mess I have here. I haven't really done anything with it. This is just an example of how to, this is just a blog that I'm using to show you how to, and this is demonstrate how to do certain things with your blog. So we're going to focus on the footer. Okay, so you want to remove this. So what you do is you go to dashboard. You want to edit this. You put your privacy, pages, a disclaimer. If you have a disclaimer for your business, you put it on the bottom. Privacy policy and things of that nature. So let's go ahead and move ahead. We want to edit the footer. So all you do is go to appearance. Scroll. Once you hover over appearance, this bar will pop up. Scroll down to editor. Press editor. After you hit editor, scroll down, and to your far right, scroll down on this bar, this screen here, and when you have to find the page. Let's see, you want to locate the page that says theme footer. It'll say footer.php. You want to edit this file, so click on it. After you've clicked on it, you will see some code here. Now, right under footer, the opening tag of footer, you'll see div. Starting with div, what you want to do is highlight all of this code, and where it says div right here, you want to remove it right where it says where it has the closing footer. You want to remove all of this highlighted text. Just remove it. After that, you can also copy and paste it if you want to keep that code for some odd reason and place it in a text file. And of course, you go to your desktop and place that. Okay, so you go to the desktop and you open up a new text file and save it in that text file. If you want to save that piece of code, I just delete it. So after that, you could place whatever you want on your footer. Say for instance, if I wanted to place a link back to my home page, all I have to do is create an ahref link. As for anchored links, A for anchored links. Okay. And if, of course, if you don't know how to create an anchor link, or you want to study up on anchor links, you can easily go to. I have a tutorial for that. How to edit CSS in WordPress. Let me see, www.jermaineplease.com/go, because that is my website, and that's an extra. That's an directory I've added under jermaineplease.com, and easily just put Jermaine Please Go, and I want to center it. Let's see, center. Okay, and it also automatically pops up. It detects that the front tag, and from there I just update it. I can also add I can add whatever I want. Okay, I can put this and say copyright 2018 or whatever. Just that copyright stamp you can place whatever you want to place. Okay, let's visit. Let's look at the bottom and see how it looks. Oh, here we go. So we just edited it. Let me go back real quick. Let me see. I could put this in center as well. Okay, let's look at it now. And there it goes. Easy as that, easy as pie. Easy as apple pie. So thank you all for joining me today. That's how you edit your footer on your WordPress blog. My name is Jermaine. Please again visit me at Web Hosting Throne, or Google me at Web Hosting Throne. You can find me at webhostingthrone.com if you want to learn more about blogging and WordPress. Thank you all for joining me. I'll see you in my next tutorial.